Once again we will start chapter number 2, that is called polynomial of class 9th. In the previous class we have discussed about the basic of polynomial, in which we have discussed many definitions, many formulas. But in today's class, that is part 2. Part 2 is question based class. In this class we will discuss how to solve the questions based on polynomial. So dear students, see how I will one by one I will take questions and we will solve them. First question we will take today, that is if px equal to, px is called what? Polynomial. If px equal to x cube plus 4x square minus 5. If px equal to this much, x की power 3, that is called x cube plus 4x square minus 5, then find p0 and p minus 2. In one question we will find two things, p0 and p minus 2. So look at how to solve. But we have given polynomial. Polynomial means this much of highest power 3. It means it is called cubic polynomial. Now what we have to do? We have to put the value first. We have to put a 0. So we have to put x equal to 0. I will give this equation number 1 name. We will put x equal to 0 in equation 1. We get. So b will change variable, means x with the value 0. So dear student, where we have written x, we will exchange or we will shift x with the 0. It means in the place of x we are writing 0 because we have given x equal to 0. So 0 की power 3 plus 4, 0 की power 2 minus 5. My dear student, when we will solve 0 की power 3, it means 0. 0 की power 2, 0 into 4, again 0, and minus 5 will be same. When we will add 0 or we will subtract 0, there is no meaning of 0 in addition and subtraction. It means only minus 5 in the solution. So in the first question we have taken x equal to 0 because we have to find p0. Now if examiner will ask, same question examiner will ask, find p minus 2. It means we have to vary the value of variable every time. So what we will do in this, similarly double line के ऊपर ly, that is called similarly in math, put x equal to minus 2. Why we are putting x equal to minus 2? Because we have to find p minus 2. It means whenever question will be asked, only value of x will be changed or variable which we have given in the polynomial. I hope you have understand. Now we will put x equal to minus 2 in the place of x. So x exchange with minus 2. In same question I am taking. So here I put 0 की power 3. Here I will put minus 2 की power 3 plus 4 minus 2 का square, then minus 5 will be same. So dear students, see, we have taken 3 terms, and in the 3 terms we are putting x equal to 0 in this question, and in this question I am putting minus 2 because it is different value to find. So everyone know 2 का cube means 2 multiply 3 times. 2 का cube 8. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. But power is odd number, it means sign will be same. Minus plus minus 2 का square plus 4, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 16, and minus 5 will be same. When I will do equal to minus 8 or minus 5, minus minus plus and sign of minus always. So minus 13 plus 16, 16 minus 13 plus 3. So it is a solution of, in the last we will write therefore p0 we have got equal to minus 5 comma p minus 2 we have got that equal to 3. It is a method to write the solutions when we have to solve the questions. In the online class we cannot solve each and every question, but those basic things I am telling you have to follow in different questions. Now second question I will take, find zeros. Find zeros, very easy concept. See how. Find zeros of the polynomial equal to 3x plus 5. 3x plus 5 polynomial I am taking. So dear student, first you have to think, it is a which type of polynomial? It is linear polynomial. Linear means power 1, degree 1. X variable has only highest power 1, that is called linear. But according to term, this is called binomial. But whenever we have to find zeros, zeros will be, we will think according to the powers, not according to term. So power 1, it means 1 zero will come. If there will be 2 power, it means 2 zeros will come. So see how to find. So we will take let. Whenever we have to find zeros of the linear polynomial, we will consider let whole polynomial equal to 0. So let px equal to 0. Px equal to 0. Now put the value of px, that is 3x plus 5 equal to 0. So answer will be plus goes to minus 5 and multiply goes to divide, minus 5 by 3. Minus 5 by 3 is the right solution. It means it has only one zero, that is minus 5 by 3. Value of x is called zeros. Now I will take another question for the same. Again we have to find zeros, but I will take different question. I will take this time polynomial equal to cx plus d plus d. It means I am taking in the variables form 3x plus d. So what I will do, I will solve again same, let px equal to 0. Every time we have to follow same format, this format. But this question was in numbers and this is only in letters. So now px equal to 0 means cx plus d equal to 0. So cx equal to plus goes to minus d, or x equal to minus d by c. It is a method to solve the equations, or which type of equation? That is called linear equations. We will take one more example, that is px, that is px polynomial, px equal to 4x, means only one term. It is two type of polynomial, according to power linear and according to term monomial. So same solution, that px equal to 0. So 4x equal to 0. Multiply goes to divide 0 by 4. 0 is the solution. So my dear student, it is a method to find. It is a method to find the zeros when we have given polynomial of which type? Linear polynomial. Now we will take another questions, different type of question, and tough questions. I hope you all are taking interest in this topic because it is very important for the higher classes also. So whenever we have to solve equations, first we have to understand now, my dear student, we will take questions based on formulas. That is our third question. In third question, what we will do? We will take different question. If x minus y equal to 6, if x minus y equal to 6 and xy equal to 10, it means we have given x minus y equal to 6 and xy equal to 10. Then find x cube minus y cube. It means we have to find x ka whole cube minus y ka whole cube. Now see, x minus y equal to 6 given, xy given. So it means we can call it. It is similar to which? This is, I will write the solution now. See, it is similar to a minus b. and it can be, we can say that a cube minus b cube. So this question is giving hint to us which formula we can use. It means we can use the formula of a cube minus b cube. So see how to make the cube solution. We have x minus y equal to 6. That is given. It is the equation number 1. By cubing both sides. By cubing both sides. It means we are cubing equation number 1 both sides. So it means x minus y का whole cube equal to 6 का cube. Because we have written cubing both sides, it means now it is a minus b का cube. A means x, b means y. So I will use the formula a cube x cube minus y cube minus 3a. A means x, b means y, and a minus b, x minus y equal to, when I will solve this side, that is called x का cube. X cube means 6 multiply 3 times 6 is 36, and 36 is 216. Now see here, we have used the formula, or we have to write the formula in one side. If we will not write here, if I using which formula, because I am using a minus b का whole cube, that is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. If you will not write formula, it means teachers can cut your marks. So whenever you will solve the mathematics, first you have to show the formulas. This question we are solving on which, based on which formula? Now see, x cube minus y cube will be same, minus 3xy. See the value of xy, that is 10, into x minus y, that is 6, equal to 216. X cube minus y cube will be same. Now we will multiply. 6 3 18, 18 10 180, equal to 216. It means x cube minus y cube equal to, minus goes to plus, 216 plus 180, that will be 6 plus 0 6, 8 plus 1 9, 2 plus 1 3, 396 is the right solution of a cube minus b cube, that is called x cube minus y cube. So dear student, it is a method to solve the typical questions. These questions are not in your NCERT, but these questions are very important for your competitions. So only you can solve the questions in competition when your mind will be click, when you will think something differently. This question based on which formula, that is called a minus b का whole cube. That's why we have solved this question by this formula only. Now we will take one question more. We have a time to solve one question more. Now I will take question number 4, this side. Question number 4. Again, we will think something differently. Factorize x square minus y square by 100. X square minus y square upon 100. It means this sign of minus is showing which formula we can apply. So can you guess? Before writing the solution, you have to tell me which formula we can use. Can you guess? Yes, you can tell. I hope you are thinking it can be a square minus b square. Oh, it is same. Because look at here is the power of 2 and here power of 2. It means we can make only one formula, that is a square minus b square. So write that by using formula. The formula is also called identity formula. A square minus b square. Answer will be a plus b or a minus b. Answer will be a plus b or a minus b. It means first we have to make square. So see here, x square means x का whole square minus y is already square, but 100 is not a square. It means we can make 100 is a square of which number? Yes, 100 is a square of 10. So we can write y upon 10 का whole square. It means we have made the formula a square minus b square, or that will give us solution this. A square minus b square will be a plus b. So see here a. What is a? A is called here. See, first number before plus or first number before minus a. A means x and b is this. So replace a with x and b with y upon 10. So x plus y upon 10, x minus y upon 10. It is a method to solve these type of factorization when we have given in the questions. Now we will see one more question, that is question number 5. I will take now question number 5. Again we will take some typical question now. Factorize a की power 4 plus b की power 4. It is high order thinking question. Right, typical question. A की power 4 plus b की power 4. It means by just looking question you can guess. First we have to think, we have to pre-plan which formula will we use. So here we can use the formula a square plus b square plus 2ab. But when you see here not 2ab, it means we have to make. Some questions are those which we cannot solve. Students cannot solve. But students have to learn to solve the question, to make the formula. We can add, we can subtract equal things, or we can multiply and divide also. So see how I will make the solution. A की power 4 means a की power 2 का square plus b की power 2 का square. Everyone can understand it here. It is very simple to understand. A की power 4, how to break? 2 to the 4. B की power 4 means 2 to the 4. But here a square plus b square. But we have to make 2ab. So a 2 in the formula a square b square. Because here a is what? A square. And b is what? B square. It means I have to add this. Also I have to subtract this. Now question is arising in your mind. In this question we have not given 2 a square b square. But from where it came. So dear student, we have used these two terms to make a formula to solve the question. If you will not add equal things or subtract, it means you cannot solve this question. This is called planning. How to plan the things. Now see, these things are coming in one formula. These three terms are making a formula, that is a square plus b. A means a square, a का square, b का square plus 2ab. That is making formula a plus b का square minus same 2a square b square. Now we will use this same, and here 2 is not a square of any number. So if we want to make a square compulsory, we will use the sign of root 2ab का whole square. Now I have again made the one formula, that is a means whole concept, whole terms, a square minus b square. That is to give answer a plus b root 2ab, or a minus b, a square plus b square minus root 2ab. This is the method. In this question, how many formulae we have used? We have used two formulae. That is, these formulas are a square plus b square plus 2ab equal to a plus b का whole square. Second formula I have used a square minus b square, that is a plus b or a minus b. This question was typical question to understand. So what you have to understand in mathematics, whenever we have to solve question, we have to pre-plan which formula or how can we make the formula by adding or subtracting. This formula has plus 2ab. It means I have to add plus, so it means we have to subtract also. If I will use minus 2ab, so it means minus 2ab will come front, then I have to add 2ab. So dear student, today we have discussed different questions by different methods, or that is called quality of polynomial. So we have discussed many questions today. That's it for the class. Bye bye beta.